Hey guys, John, Vapor Honing Technologies here today. I'm coming to you with a brand new application for all of you guys in the world that race motocross and may have a pair of dirty boots. Vapor Honing apparently can clean them up. This is something that we were super shocked about this week when we tried this out in the factory here. These boots were actually pretty filthy. They were very stained, very red, and just super dirty. But what we were able to do is actually clean all of the hardened plastic and rubbery textured parts here. We were able to clean those up without damaging them, and actually we didn't even remove any type of painted or colored plastic pieces, which is actually quite incredible. Even the leather here, we cleaned it up and made it look a million times better without damaging it. And I think that was the biggest impressive point to us that shows you the benefits of the vapor honing process and the flow-based nature, cleaning nature of the process. I mean, you don't have that forceful impact, so we're not damaging the surface, we're not eroding it any way, shape, form, or fashion. Obviously, if we were eroding it, we would see pitting and a lot of rough textured plastic and rubber, and of course, we wouldn't even have any threads left. We were completely blown away. I mean, look, everybody here is a believer in the process and what it does and how it can help you in your business. But when it came to this, we were all completely shocked. We had no clue. We've done a lot of different things in the world today with a lot of different industries and businesses. This is one of the first. It just shows you what kind of tool and how big of an asset vapor honing can actually be in your business and all of the different opportunities that you have with this equipment. So if you have further questions on maybe this process or a process that you may have and you need help with, then give the sales team a call. They're here to find a solution and a process and a product that fits your needs. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for more content to come. Again, as always, thanks for watching. Take care.